You're watching Asian Children's BBC TV. Now let's kick off the weekend with Live and Cooking! Hi, Asian kids. My name's Chippy Sundarlingam.
And I'm Fanny Kumar.
You kids want to have fun?
Yeah!
I bet you do. And there's plenty of time for fun. After you've done your studies, done your exams, got a degree, got a good job, got married, had children, and the children have left home, then you can have fun.
Oh, Chippy, you're so sensible.
Cover yourself up. Okay, let's get on with the show.
Yay!
Stop!
First up, we're over to Computer Corner, where we're going to check out the latest software releases with our resident cyberpunk, Dumpy. Wow, mega graphics, Dumpy. And what piece of virtual hilarity are you playing?
Well, I'm checking out the hottest new software on the market. It's an updated version of an old classic, and it's mega fast with state-of-the-art bitmap imaging.
Wow, Dumpy, you're fat. What's it called?
Excel spreadsheet.
Radical. And have you been reviewing any games for us, Dumpy?
No!
Good girl. Over to you, Chippy.
Okay, kids. Don't forget, later on in the program, we've got Pop Sensation 5 coming up, and we'll be asking them what respectable jobs they're going to do when they grow up. You can phone in on 5...
Watch out, Chippy. Look who's coming.
Who?
Uncle Blobinder.
No, don't do this. No, it's not a respectable thing to do. It's... Get off. Jump! Take that thing off. Did you, not you? You, take that head off. Let your mother see you. Is this any kind of job for a respectable Indian boy? You see, kids, this is what happens when you watch television all day and you don't do your homework.
Who gives a break? I'm just trying to earn a living.
Will you knock off that stupid voice?
What stupid voice?
Nobody thinks that you're funny. Anyone think he's funny? No. Just shut up. Show some respect.